लास्ट क्लास में फ्लावर के स्ट्रक्चर्स के बारे में इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट लिया था। अब नेक्स्ट हम उसके स्ट्रक्चर्स के डिटेल डायग्रामेटिक वे में जाएंगे। तो हमने कहा था कि एक फ्लावर जो है वो एक मॉडिफाइड शूट है। वो क्या है? एक मॉडिफाइड शूट। सो मॉडिफाइड शूट meet for reproduction. Now this one is the structure of an representative flower of angiosperm. Now this one is thalamus. Here this represents the gynoecium. The individual in it is known as carpel, or we can say pistil. Now these are thread-like structure and these are known as androecium. So these are called androecium. The individual unit of androecium is known as stamen. Individual unit is known as stamen. Now this one is male part. This represents the male reproductive structure, where gynoecium or pistil or carpel represent the female reproductive part of a flower. Now some other parts are also there. This blue color part is represented by corolla. This blue color part is represented by corolla. The individual unit of corolla is known as petals. So this one is 1 petals, this one is 2 petals, this one is 3 petals, 4 petals, or 5 petals. All these arise in a form and form a balls that is known as corona. Now some important parts is also arise from this area, and this is known as calyx. The individual unit of calyx is known as sepal. The individual unit of calyx is known as sepals. What are the function of calyx and corolla is? The calyx is meant for protection of flower during bud condition. So this one is protective in nature, green in color. Green in color, while corolla are brightly in color in many flowers. Brightly colored. The main function of corolla is to attract the pollinating agent that is known as insect. So corolla are meant for attracting the insect. So it is brightly colored, and that's why flowers looks bright. So what are the function of the corolla? To attract the pollinating agent. Both calyx and corolla both perform the function as accessory, so it is termed as accessory wall. This is termed as accessory walls. Clear? But in case of the gynoecium and androecium, these are the male part, and as we know, flower is meant for the reproduction, and for the reproduction male and female is necessary. So these are called essential wall. These are called essential walls. So we have to remember these both are essential wall, these are accessory wall. They only support the flower. They only support the flower. So this is all about the structure of flower. Now in the next class or in the next video we deal about the detailed structure of androecium, detailed structure of gynoecium. The corolla are meant for supporting. In some plants it is white in color. White in color. In such type of flower, the pollinating agent are abiotic in nature. So when it is not brightly colored, so it is act as a supporting structure. So